To charge your Sony WF-C510 earbuds, first you can insert both of the earbuds inside like this to start charging the earbuds. And now when they are plugged in, they should be charging if your case is glowing with the green light. If it doesn't, that means, or if it has a red light, that means they are not properly inserted or your case is running out of a battery charge. So now when we established how to charge our earbuds, we can move to the charging process of our case. So grab a USB-C cable that is connected to anything that has a power. You can go with your PC or a charging cube and just connect this USB-C port on the back like this. That way you will see that your charging case is basically charging. And I can also give you a information on how long it should charge. So the case from 0 to 100% should charge for around 3 hours, and your earbuds from 0 to 100 should go for around 1.5 hours. And that is basically everything.